Before we dive into the video, I just wanted to give a big shout out to Halo Beauty. That is the inspiration for the eye look today. I have been taking the hair, skin, and nail booster for about 2 months now. I just reordered another bottle. I will not lie, I saw results within the first week. I sent the pictures to Tati and Halo Beauty on their Instagram, and they reposted me, so if you want to go check those out, you can. My redness, inflammation, gone. I couldn't believe it. I suffer from cystic acne, and so it makes my face really red and inflamed. I would feel a breakout coming, and the Halo Beauty just killed it right there, because usually I'll start feeling a cyst coming up and then it just keeps getting worse and worse and worse, and then it creates a head, and then I get scars, and horrible. Halo Beauty, I could feel it coming and then they just disappear, and that is a really, really, really big thing for me, especially my hair. I used to lose chunks of hair in the shower after taking Halo Beauty, just a couple strands. It is unbelievable. I had never believed in a product so much than I believe in Halo Beauty, because I have used countless and countless of vitamins and nothing works like Halo Beauty does. And so if you guys have not tried out Halo Beauty, I suggest you go check it out right now. I will leave a link down below so you guys can go check it out, and also their Instagram so you can see those before and after pictures, and I can guarantee you, you will not be disappointed. And so yeah, I hope you guys like this Halo Beauty packaging inspired look, and yeah, thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while. I've sat down and I filmed a couple videos, and I just never got around to editing them, and then got so discouraged and didn't feel like uploading them, and so I decided to just take a step back, and I thought that I would never film again. I was going through some tough moments that I didn't feel like putting myself out there on social media. And so it was actually so many loving messages from people that, one, I have never met, and two, have met, but we're not really close, but I've known, and honestly didn't think that they gave me a second thought. And so many of you guys have DM'd me and sent me messages through Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and have just told me, like, oh my god, like, I'm so happy you're doing this. Like, I've always wanted to do something like that, always was too shy, all of that stuff. And it was just those messages that really made me think, why do I care what everybody else thinks of me? And honestly, it wasn't what other people were thinking about me, it was what I thought about myself. And so those messages really just encouraged me and made me feel like, let's just do it. And so as you can tell, one, my hair is a different color. Two, my background is different, and it's because I am currently in California. All my other videos were filmed in Florida, where I go to college, and it is summertime, and I am in California with my dad and brother. And so yeah, I decided to sit down and film. Today's video is going to be very special to me. It's something that I've never done, but we're gonna see if I can pull it off, and if not, I'm still having fun filming this. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you for all of the love and support. Alright, to start off the look, I'm going to be dipping into The Vault by Jaclyn Hill times Morphe, the Bling Boss. I'm going to be dipping into the shade Hush Hush. And this is the shade that I'm going to be using for my transition shade. Gonna put it all over my crease, my lid, all of that stuff. I'm going to add just a little bit more because I want to deepen it out just a little bit. The thing I love about these shadows is you can really build them up. You can do a very light look with these colors and shades, but you can also keep adding in the shade and it will build up and darken. Alright, and I promise this isn't a coincidence, but I'm going to be dipping into my James Charles Times Morphe palette. I'm going to be dipping into the neon pink shade he has. I lost the slip that has all the names, so I can't really tell you what it is. But yeah, this is not a coincidence. I just don't have another palette that has a pink. Now I'm going to be taking a brush that has nothing on it, and I'm just going to be blending that out. I actually want to deepen that pink just a little bit. I'm now going to take a little bit of concealer, and I'm actually going to be taking a very tiny brush like so and doing sort of a cut crease. Now just put a little bit of concealer on my hand, dip the brush in, and draw the line very slowly. Now I'm going to just blend out any harsh lines. Now we can move on to the glitter. Now the glitter on, or the shininess on the Halo Beauty packaging is more of like a rose gold a little bit, and in the Bling Boss palette by Jaclyn Hill, there is a couple of shades that you can choose from. I'm probably going to end up mixing some. So I'm going to dip into, Bling Bling. First, I'm going to wet my brush just to make sure that we really get that shiny effect that we're looking for. Now, this shade did not come out as balloony as I wanted it to, Now I'm going to dip into Glitz and Glam. I'm going to put that right there in the edge of my eyelid to add that gold, rose gold color that we were looking for. Now with an angled brush, we're going to dip back into that neon pink color that's in the James Charles palette. We're going to add it onto our lower lash line. Now I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and going to dip into the shade Hush Hush and Bling Boss just to blend out the pink color that we put on our lower lash line. I'm going to use my Kat Von D tattoo liner. I'm just going to do a little wing, nothing too serious. Want to keep the look very delicate. Like so. I'm going to just brush off a little bit of that baking powder that I had underneath my eye. Twist it away. I'm going to apply mascara and do my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Milani Dip Brow Pomade. I got this out at Walgreens for, I think it was $6. I wouldn't necessarily say it's a dupe for Anastasia, but it does the job and it doesn't break the bank. And those are two things that I am a fan of. Just going to lightly help the point of my eyebrow because my eyebrows are very patchy. I'm going to throw on some mascara and I use this one right here. I accidentally bought the curved brush one. I like the standard spoily. Don't necessarily like the curved one, but what you gonna do? So I just make it work. I'm going to be taking a little brush, and for this look I want to dip into the I'm going to highlight the top part of my brow bone. I'm going to be dipping into the Jaclyn Hill Original palette. These two shades up here, when you mix them together, bomb highlight. It's actually what I'm going to be using for my face highlight as well. I mean, she's blinding the house. So I'm just going to ever so lightly carve out my eyebrow, blend in the shimmer just a little bit. I actually want to redo the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to bring it up just a little bit. Like so, to really highlight that inner corner. I mean, look at that glow. It is absolutely stunning. Okay, I'm going to hop off and do the other eye off camera, and then this look will be complete. Alright, I went ahead and did my other eye, put on some lipstick and some lip gloss, and now we're going to move on to highlight, which is my favorite part. And as I mentioned before, I'm actually going to be using these two eyeshadows in the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I absolutely love mixing these two. The shine just, like, come on. These two eyeshadows are so gorgeous for highlight, like, it makes you shine like no other. Going to put some on the tip of my nose, a little bit on the bridge, some on the forehead, some good measure. A little bit up here, and a little bit on the chin. Some blush.